Alright, so I'm on my long run this morning. It's 40 minutes. I'm about to get going, start jogging. Not worried about pace today. I'm just looking for 40 minutes of continuous running. At the moment, I'm training for doing a 10k in an hour or less. My goal is to get to that within the next month, and then keep cranking it up towards the marathon in April. So let's do it. So I'm 24 minutes in, still feeling good. Shoes are a bit muddy, but it's going well. It's a lovely autumn day. So that's my 40-minute run done. Still feel good. I've not checked how far I went because that's not really the point. The point was 40 minutes of continuous running, and I enjoyed it. And I ran through some fields and like woodland paths. It was nice to, spend that time like in nature as well. So yeah, another workout down. Off to do some stretches, I think. Might need to get some different shoes for these types of runs. They're a little bit muddy.